Hey, it's Liz. I'm thinking of doing a video vlog. Guess who I got this idea from? Totally gonna give credits to you, Rafa. Got the idea from you. It's 11:37 p.m. Thursday, April 24th, and I am bored as heck. Where do I start? Okay, so yeah, that was me doing my hand for a couple seconds. I'm just that bored. Actually, I don't think this video vlog is gonna work out, so I think it's maybe best to hit the sack. See ya guys, thanks for watching.